Thinking of starting a business in Indonesia? The Certificate of Incorporation is your official proof that your company exists under Indonesia law. You'll need this certificate to apply for business licenses, join tenders, and amend company documents. The certificate includes key details about your company, like its name, registration place, and incorporation date. An attachment is issued along with the certificate. It contains shareholder and management details. The process begins when all founders sign the deed of establishment in front of a notary. The notary submits your documents to the authorities. Several forms and IDs are required for this step. Once verified, the Ministry of Law and Human Rights will issue your official Certificate of Incorporation. The certificate has no expiry date. Even if your deed of establishment changes, the certificate stays valid. If your company has a fixed duration, renew it before expiry through a deed amendment and ministry update. Worried about missing a step? Let 3E Accounting manage the process for you, from the deed to the certificate.